So this might have happened to you before. You go to a website and the theme is absolutely beautiful and you wonder, what theme is this person using? What template are they using? I'd like something like this. Well, I'm going to be showing you how you can find out the template a website is using, especially on WordPress. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe. If you're returning, so good to see you again. Please remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple trick that you can use to find out the theme a website is using. And I want to be specific. This is specifically for WordPress. That I will be sticking to WordPress. For those people wondering, what's she on about? What are themes? Themes are website templates that are either free or you could buy if you want premium themes that you can install on your website to start with. Rather than designing from scratch, it's always a good idea to get a nice theme that you can start from. Not only does it give you a professional look, it also, saves you a lot of time and effort. If there's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching.
For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using my website, acehousestudio.com. If you haven't checked it out already, please check it out. And what we're going to be doing today is to investigate whether I've built this website using WordPress or not. So I'm not going to tell you guys. You guys are going to find out very soon. So what we need to do is to grab the URL of the website that you want to find out, and we'll go on to wp.com. So wp.com, that's the website that we'll be using today. And what you need to do is to paste the URL of the website that you want to investigate into the field that's provided here, and you click on Analyze Website. And the website is currently analyzing, so if you're lucky, the website will be able to find you the theme they've used and any plugins that they've used as well. So it's not always guaranteed, but most times it should be able to tell you a theme if it's a WordPress site, that is, and it will tell you the theme they've used and the plugins they've used as well. Yes, good news. Acehouse Studio is using WordPress. That's good news. And another thing is that it tells you the theme I've used. So I'm using the core. So the core is a theme I've used. So you can go to Google and search for the core theme, and I'm sure Google is more than able to. That's like an easy search. It's a premium theme that I purchased. Unfortunately, this website has not been able to pick up the plugins because it's a customized theme, but you get the gist, right? It's really simple. All you need to do is to put the URL of the website that you want to investigate, and it will give you the details. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, and yeah, I hope it was helpful.
If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. And before you go, check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.